Welcome to our channel. Today we will take you on a journey to a place as if it were from imagination. Please subscribe, like and share. Geirangerfjord is a famous fjord located in the southwestern part of Norway. It is known for its stunning natural beauty, with cascading waterfalls, steep mountainsides, and deep blue waters. The fjord stretches for about 15 kilometers, 9 miles, and is surrounded by picturesque villages and lush green forests. Geirangerfjord is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is often considered to be one of the most breathtaking fjords in the world. Its iconic attractions include the Seven Sisters Waterfall, the Bridal Veil Waterfall, and the Eagle Road Ornasvingen, which provides panoramic views of the fjord. The fjord is a popular tourist destination and is often visited by cruise ships and sightseeing boats. Visitors can explore the fjord by boat, kayak, or on foot along the various hiking trails in the area. Many tourists also visit the nearby town of Geiranger, which offers accommodations, restaurants, and souvenir shops. Overall, Geirangerfjord is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and those seeking to experience the grandeur of Norway's natural landscapes. Thank you for watching. Please write in comments about your opinion. Your suggestion and opinion are important to us. Please subscribe, like and share.